Hey everybody, and here's a little fast shop tour. Here's our CNC, the Shapeoko XXL, works good. And our dust collector, we got the Laguna C-Flux, I believe it is. Yes, the C-Flux, that works good. And we got the Supermax the 2550 drum sander. It's a good machine. We got our lumber rack with a bunch of cutoffs. Some more on the floor. Table saw, we use the CraftX CX series. Works pretty good. And we got more storage. Borrowing our buddy's domino machine for a project. And our chop saw is just the rigid 12 inch. Works pretty good. Then our laser setup, we got the Auteur Laser Master 2 here with the extension kit. We're still waiting on the proper wire length so we can actually use the full extension. And over here is our Pro all set up in a box with the exhaust hooked to it, and well, there's the laptop there with the use that as our monitor with the beer fridge. No beer in it right now. And then our router table setup that we're working on. It's getting there, but you know, Triton's a big beast, so it works. But pellet stove for the winter. Then a bunch of crap, more crap. Floor bed we're working on. It's getting there. But you know, gotta wait for the dominoes to come in. So yeah, that was our just a fast shop tour update. And I'm Matt from the Alexander Bros. Anyway, hope you guys subscribe, like. We'll get more content out to you. So there you go. Have a good night. Bye.